In today's holiday edition, we're going to be learning how to create the trash can blaster. Trash can blaster actually features a futuristic light cannon that you can actually move it 360 degrees, and it can go up and down and blast your enemies into smithereens. So let's go ahead and create one of those. There's actually two different versions over here, which is version A and version 2 of those. And I might actually feature, if you are interested, one of those up for sale in my gift shop. So that being said and done, you probably want to know how you can create your own one. So first thing you have to do is to break it into smithereens. And this thing just got blasted into little pieces right here. There we go. It's broken up. So first thing you want to do is to go ahead and get two pieces that look like this. Now, it doesn't have to look like this. You can get any piece like that. And in fact, this is nearly impossible to open. But those are the pieces that I'm using right here. Now, this piece right now doesn't spin. So if you want to get one that is spinning, you might have to get a special plate that has the spinning thing right there instead, with this piece right here. So that is an alternative build for you. But if you want the stationary version one, all you have to do is to get those two pieces and put them like this together. So this is the simplest thing that you have to do to get started. Next piece you have to get looks like this. It is just a small piece that can move like that, and you're putting it right in the middle right here. Over here, we're going to be putting one of those pieces, whoops, just like that, so it looks even better on the side. And next, we're going to be putting two of those green pieces, just like this, on the top right here. On the other side, what we're going to be doing is putting the following in here. This piece looks like that, all the way right here, just like this. And then each of those pieces is going to go on both sides, both ends of this. Now, on one end, what you have to do is just to feature one of those, to put it right here. The other one is the knob, or the way the minifigure actually moves this thing. On the other side, what we feature here is a very simple mechanism. It looks like a file head joint piece. Next, we actually are putting a transparent piece like this on the top right here. And something for the minifigure to look at. Just a small piece like this. Just like that. Over here, after we put this piece in, we'll be featuring this one, which is the grill. Next is the control panel. Next is the light, so they can see in the dark what they're doing, blasting bad guys. And on this side, simply a piece that looks like this. Now, the hardest two pieces that you have to get for this is one that looks like that. Two is the trash can. This is the famous trash can, by the way. And it goes right inside here. Now, there's an alternative build right here for you in case you're interested. You can put something just like that on the nose of it if you want to. So that is just an alternative method for you, and plus it sticks with it. Not only sticks with it, you don't need this piece in the middle to put this together. But in this specific case, we're going to be keeping it simple, so we're just going to be putting this piece on top here. Now you can put 3 of those in a row if you like to, like I did over here. So we can have the triple blaster instead of the double blaster. We have triple blaster right now. And we're going to be putting this all the way on the top here. And that, ta-da, is done. This is actually the trash can blaster at its glory. Now, this doesn't have to be though. And you can see what I mean by why that piece was not needed over there. So this is just an alternative version of it, and if you're having it this way, you gotta have a small circle figure, putting it right there, and putting it all together like this. So we have two different builds here that are available for us, the red version and the normal version, and I'm about to put one of those up for sale in my own Lego shop in case you're interested to get your own version of the trash can blaster.